Trucker Yoga. It's Wellness Wednesday, coming to you live. I want to talk again a little bit about hip pain and give you another solution, something that everybody, not just truck drivers, should be doing every single day. It's super easy. It doesn't take a lot of time, but you are going to notice a huge difference. So one of the things that I hear a lot from people, it doesn't matter if you sit a lot or if you're super active, like you're a runner or a cyclist, usually the issues are the same on both sides of the spectrum. Pain in the outer hip, which sometimes we think it's bursitis, but maybe it's not. We get stickiness in the knee. We may be even getting some tightness or pain down in the bottom or the side of the foot. All of this is connected in what's called a fascial sleeve. And so sometimes we're feeling hip pain. When we're walking, it hurts to extend the leg back or forward. When we're sitting or sleeping at night, the hip aches. We may have knee pain, even some hamstring tightness. All of this is connected. Fascia is a lot like a spider web, or think of it like saran wrap, wrapped around every muscle, every fiber of every muscle, throughout your whole body. And when that fascia gets sticky or stuck, think scar tissue, then all of a sudden we have something pulling on our body. So if I have my shirt and I pull on my shirt, there's going to be these striations or these lines, and this is where I'm feeling the pain. But this might be, this is where I'm feeling the pain, but this is where the problem is. So it's called referred pain. Okay, I want to show you something really super simple, really easy that you can do. This is a massage roller. We sell them on our website, mothertruckeryoga.com, but feel free, get it where you need to. And then a little massager roller ball. You need one or both of these. This is going to change your life. Every single day, when you get up in the morning and before you go to bed at night. Heck, you can do it in the middle of the day too. You're going to take your roller and you're going to roll out the side of your leg. So this is called the iliotibial band. It's a really big band of fascia or thick tissue. And when we don't move a lot, when we're sitting, that band gets super stiff. And then the next thing we know, that band and even the quad muscles are kind of stuck to the bone. And then we're having pain, not just where we feel that stickiness, but even in the hip. So we're going to roll, roll, roll all the way up into the hip. I can feel that a little bit here because I know I need to do this more regularly. And then roll out the quad. And you're going to feel those areas that are sticky. And then you're going to take the roller underneath and you're going to roll the outer hamstring. This is the stickier part. This is the one I don't like. And the hamstring, but I know it's good for me. And I'm going to do both legs every single day. That was what? 30 seconds, maybe a minute. But if you do this every single day regularly, you're going to notice so much more mobility when you're walking and a lot less pain in that outer hip and a lot less pain in the knee. Now, as for the foot, remember, everything is connected. You need to get your shoes off every single day. If you're not driving, get your shoes off. Roll your ankles, move your toes, but more importantly, we live in a concrete jungle with casts on our feet. What is that? That's shoes and concrete. So we have to stimulate the bottoms of the feet to kind of recreate what we're not getting, which is uneven terrain. So this is super simple. You're just going to kind of roll. You want to come in a little closer. Roll out every little which way on the toes, the arch. You want to get the heel, grind that out. I call this a heel grind. Work through the arch of the foot. You might notice some crunchiness, but you just want to go wherever you can. Okay. If all you have is this guy, by all means, you can just easily roll out the hip or the quad or the thigh. It's going to take a little bit longer, but this works just as well to help break up some of that sticky tissue. Not only are you going to have more mobility, but you're going to have more circulation and more blood flow, which is going to help reduce injuries and just help you feel better overall. So let me know if you've ever tried rolling before. Let me know if you've ever done fascial work before. This is something super simple and easy. You can do it right in your jeans, no stress, but 30 seconds in the morning, 30 seconds at night, and you are going to be on your way to feeling better wherever you are. Remember, it's about the small, simple changes that lead to the big results. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and I will be back again soon. Bye, guys. Have a great night.